This is Osaka Castle, the biggest castle here in Japan. So, samahan nyo ako to explore more about this castle. Let's go. So we are on our way to Osaka Castle. So we're just waiting for our road train papunta sa castle. So samahan nyo kami. We offer road train service punta din sa castle. So ito yung mga ticket prices for the ride. And meron discount ng elderly. This is the waiting area for those who avail the road train service. So while we are here, ay pwede tayong umupo muna, magpalamig, at kumuha na rin ng mga iba't ibang pamphlets nila that contain information about the Osaka Castle. So we are already on board the road train service and it is on its way papunta na ng Osaka Castle. So this trip will take around more or less 15 minutes. So let us enjoy the ride at tignan natin ano yung mga makikita natin na scenic view leading towards the direction of the castle. So the castle was built upon the orders of Toyotomi Hideyoshi. He is one of the most powerful Japanese warlords during the Sengoku period, wherein Japan was on its process of being unified. It was completed in 1597, but unfortunately Hideyoshi died, but it was passed down to his son Toyotomi Hideyori. The castle was built to be formidable and can withstand enemy siege with the help of the walls, the moats, and the elevated location of the main castle. During the shogunate period, more improvements to the castle was implemented. Nagkaroon ng mas maraming walls, and you will really notice later kapag ka nandun na tayo sa castle na yung mga stones nila rito are made from big boulders that were cut and was brought in the castle grounds para mas mapaganda pa at mapatibay yung castle walls. So eventually, makapagpatayo sila ng central castle tower for extra visibility and protection, and the castle was also able to store gunpowder and artillery at nagamit din ito hanggang World War II. Presently, the Japanese government developed the castle grounds into a park, and it became one of the most visited tourist attractions dito sa Japan. So ito, mukhang malapit na tayong matapos sa ating pagsakay dito sa road train at bababa na tayo para makapasok din sa main castle grounds. So we're going now to the castle vicinity. Let's continue our walk. Aside from the castle, kita rin natin yung scenic view from here. The castle moat.
Oh, there's a park here inside. Talagang naman, maganda yung place. So far wala pa namang entrance fee.
Dadaanan muna natin ngayon ang isa sa makasaysayang bahagi ng parke na ito.
So this is the place where Hideyori Toyotomi and Yododono committed suicide.
Sa sinuunang kultura kasi ng mga Hapon ay mas nanaisin pa nilang wakasan ng kanilang sariling buhay kaysa mahuli ng kalaban dahil ito ay mas nakakahiya. Ginagawa rin nila ito sa paniniwalang mas mapapanatili nito ang kanilang dignidad o ang kanilang honor kung sila ay wapakamatay. Sa makasaysayang lugar na to ay mas pinili na lamang ni Toyotomi at ng kanyang ina na si Yododono na magwakasan yung kanilang buhay kaysa mahuli ng kalaban. At nangyari ito nung nilapit na silang matalo ng puwersa ni Tokugawa. So we can really see the formidable defense that this castle have during those days, dahil dito pa lang sa area na to ay meron na silang clear vantage point over their supposedly invaders. So mataas itong area na to at makikita mo kung ano ang movement ng kalaban from the outside. But of course nowadays this has become a scenic view that attracts tourists, at kitang-kita natin dun kanina yung napakagandang tanawin at kita rin ang syudad ng Osaka sa di kalayuan. So we are now nearing the end of our walking tour. So nandito na tayo sa last area na ating pwedeng ma-access in front of the castle. So we're now finally here in front of the castle, and I think this is the very best part kung saan natin pwedeng kuhaan ng pictures and video itong castle.
This is rough.
And so this concludes our walking tour here at the Osaka Castle. So I hope that you had fun and enjoyed the walking tour as much as I did. Thank you very much for watching. So once again, this is your professor next door, always saying, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Have a great day ahead.